everyone. So today we have the Ranger Design MaxView Partition. So in this truck is a Ford Transit low roof. Looking up at the cab, it looks like there's nothing there. So you could see the driver's seat and the passenger seat. So let's see what the driver could see. So he's got a perfectly clear view from the back. This truck is equipped with rear glass as well as side glass. Let's go up to the cab. This is a brand new 2020 Ford Transit. So inside, this is the view from the driver's windshield, so at the steering wheel. And then when he looks into the rearview mirror, the driver could see clearly through the rear. You can see that truck passing through. And then if you're merging onto the highway or making a left-hand turn, you can look back and see right through that partition and merge safely and easily.